What's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video, and it's time to talk about my favorite camera that I use the absolute most out of all the cameras I have, regardless of how new it is the DJI Osmo Action 2. I love this little camera, man, because it's so modular, so small. You can take it off, you can use it with the necklace that comes with it, put it around your neck and record in 4K, 4K 30, 4K 120. You can do slow-mo. You can connect it back to the front-facing screen if you have a front-facing screen. You can also get it with just the battery, and you can blog with this. You can take this, attach it, right? Put it on a selfie stick, blog with it. You can take the DJI mini mic with the Type-C, plug it in here. It works just fine. I used to have the tripod that goes with this, that came with this remote. But I broke the tripod, but I kept the remote. So just say you walking away and you're talking and something happens and you want to record it, or you're at a distance and you want to record it. It's Bluetooth connected to this, but I couldn't get the Bluetooth to work with the DJI Mini because I'm sure someone's going to ask about that. But no, I couldn't get it to work. But I'm going to share some clips with you guys, man, to just show you how awesome this camera actually is. Like I said, if this one breaks, I am gonna get another one. As long as there's a way for me to get another one of these cameras, I'm gonna always have one. That's how strongly I feel about it. You can put ND filters on here. I have one, I don't know where I put it, but they're magnetic and they go right over the top. They're small rig, a bunch of different places that make them. And this overall build quality of this thing, man, has been solid. Been in the pool with this, been in a river with this, been out in the rain with this, just this top part now. I don't want to make it seem like the entire piece, but just this top part. This bottom part can't get wet. You know, it's got ports here. Your SD card here goes in the back. It plugs in here on the side with Type-C. You can't get this wet, but this, not a problem. Take it everywhere, man. I have shorts showing this little thing with my friend being in a pool and using it. It's been awesome. So anyone who's ever wondered, especially with these tariffs the way they're going right now, and if you can find this on a great deal, whether it's in a store, on Amazon, eBay, Swapper, or whatever, this is still an awesome camera to pick up. And once again, it does 4K 120. Now this is an 8-bit, not a 10-bit. So if you're looking for 10-bit, this is not it. This is an 8-bit camera, but you can color grade this if you choose to. But I'm just showing you guys what it looks like naturally right now. So hopefully you enjoy the rest of this clip. I'll check you guys out on the next one, and check out the stabilization though. Stabilization on this thing is still solid. So until the next time, guys, that's it for me. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.